Hello! Welcome to Gold Machine Works Incorporated again. Today is March the 3rd, 2020. Today we're going to illustrate the use of a Brown & Sharpe 3A universal mill to mill the ends of a bar approximately 4 feet long, all in length and squareness. As you can see, the cutter is a 5-flute carbide inserted face mill, running 325 RPM. We're feeding at about 4 inches per minute table feed. You can kind of see the basic setup here. Bars clamped into the vise. The vise is square to the machine table. And the depth of cut has already been set. So without further ado, I'm going to engage the table feed. As you can see from the digital readout, the table is feeding. And we're going to come over here and watch the chip roll to the side for a minute. And as we come to the other side, our little helper, Mr. Spike, wants to get in the video too. That's a good little brown-eyed puppy. Alright, and then we're coming in on the back side to watch the cutter go. It's spitting chips pretty good. Just cleared the part. We will stop the feed, and we still got a little more stop to take off to get to the layout line for length, but that's just basically what we're doing here today. So hope you enjoyed this instructional video from Gold Machine Works Incorporated. Have a good day. Thank you. Goodbye.